Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw South African ZAR from Binance step by step. First, you will need to convert your crypto into ZAR. To do this, open Binance and tap on Buy Crypto at the top of the screen. Instead of buying, switch to the Sell option, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert, such as USDT. Enter the amount and select ZAR as the currency you want to receive. Once everything looks good, tap Sell to complete the conversion. After your crypto has been converted to ZAR, go back to the Buy Crypto section and select Withdraw. Choose ZAR as the currency you want to withdraw. If you are in South Africa, you should see ZAR listed among the available options. Next, select your preferred payment method. Tap Continue and enter your bank account details. Review the withdrawal details, including any applicable transaction fees, then confirm the request and follow the on screen instructions. Once the process is complete, your withdrawal will be submitted and the funds will be sent to your bank account. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw ZAR from Binance. I hope this guide will helpful. Thanks for watching.